Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a really quick meal option when you're in a rush? Well, I want to show you this Campbell's Chunky Soup. This is the Jazzy Jambalaya version and it's super tasty. And I like this one because it has 16 grams of protein in this can. So if you are short on time but looking for something that is going to fill you up and give you a good amount of protein, this is a really nice option. So it's super tasty. It has lots of chunks of meat and vegetables that are really good. It's super hearty and very filling and warm. It has a really nice flavor. It's a little bit smoky tasting. It's got chicken and sausage and ham in it, as well as rice and other vegetables. And it just has a nice flavor and it's really good. So super convenient. All you need to do is heat it up and then you are ready to go. So you can either heat it in the microwave or on the stove top, whichever you prefer. And that is it. So if you need a really quick meal idea to keep in your pantry for days when you just have very little time or you don't feel like cooking, then this is such a great option. And that is my point of view.